Went very well. I should say I had a wonderful audience. They were actually teaching me more than what I could actually convey to them in the session. Very interactive, and it was an excellent session. See, as a value ambassador, I am personally so aligned and closer to the values, right? Now I see servant leadership is one other channel through which we can practice and live the values of UST, right? So it makes it easier for those practicing servant leadership to align to the UST organization values. So I see it as a catalyst or something that we can easily make people learn and adopt if they come through the servant leadership channel. As a leader who wants to serve and make the life of others, like he or she or anyone puts the life of others and growth of others before their life, right? So all that is like, you need to have humility if you want to be able to treat everybody the same way, make them grow. I know that by teaching somebody, by listening to somebody, I'm going to make them grow more than what I do. As a leader serving, I want to see the growth of the other person, right? Now, without humility, you cannot actually accomplish this, right? And I see the behaviors or the traits that are taught in the servant leadership, they are very closely aligned, and we saw how the participants were able to correlate, right, with some effort in terms of which value the behavior from servant leadership closely aligns to. I think they go hand in hand, right? And we need to have the alignment to values if you want to be able to practice servant leadership successfully. Very much required for all of us to be going through this workshop, so that it's like if you read values in paper, probably servant leadership is also giving you some more aids on how you can take it in your day-to-day lives and how you can implement it no matter which organization or where you are going to be, right? So I would definitely recommend my colleagues, my peers, my team members definitely to attend the servant leadership workshop.